Push it in. Don't throw it out so far. One.
Come on, Courtney!
We got the net here, Reese.
One.
Come on, Courtney!
We bring the net.
One.
Come on! What in the world can this be? Anyway, this is going to be the longest catch.
The car's dying of thirst.
Exactly.
You had to come all the way back. I've got it all on video.
Come
I'm
on,
videoing it.
Courtney! Go, Courtney! Go, Courtney! Go, Courtney! Come on, quickly! Go far! Go, Courtney! Go, Courtney!
Here comes.
Go, Courtney!
Oh, it's got a V-tail. I think it's a nice Trevor, maybe.
Go, Courtney! Go, Courtney! Come on, Courtney! Come on, Courtney! He's more than a wow. Wait, come on, Courtney!
Wait, you've said every fish now, haven't you?
I'm wagging him on.
Yeah, but
Huh?
getting a bit loud.
He's got to let it focus.
Yeah, it's on the focus. It's getting on the serious end of the stick here.
Oh, jeez. Quite hard. Oh,
Wait,
gee.
which way?
Caught. He was waiting for the one fish.
Move forward so it doesn't step on the reef.
One, buddy, one.
Yeah, go, you gotta help Reef. Get him over that reef.
Here it comes.
No. Now. One.
If you lose this is gonna be tragic.
One.
Don't say that, Kai.
Don't say anything now. Just keep it. It's getting serious now. One. Want him out pretty good.
Centimeters. Oh! It's a,
What is he?
it's a tarpon.
Oh my god, God, that's huge!
Hang on, whoa.
Oh my god!
Look out.
Oh! Yes! Courtney, my god! Come on. I must get it!
1.
One, all the way.
Look, I've got it all on camera, so it's alright. If we lose it, we've still got it on camera. Oh! Yeah!
Go, Courtney, one up.
Oh my god!
It's not so herring, isn't it?
Yes, I think it's a big tarpon.
Did he jag it? It's not even in its mouth.
No, it's on the underneath.
Hey, good.
Stand up next. I thought it was a barrel. Look at that. It looks like a barrel.
Oh, mate.
Can you keep him? Can you eat it?
Yay! Fantastic!
Well done, Courtney.
Go, Courtney!
Come over.